shit!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh!
Did you see that?
Yes.
It just exploded in the air! What the hell?
The blades fell off.
It exploded!
The blades just flew off. It's broken to pieces.
Oh my goodness!
What has happened?
The other one's over there.
Are they okay, the blades? They actually look fine. You still recording, eh?
Yeah.
Look at the blade.
Where is the other blade? Oh my god, it's like right over here.
It made like an explosion.
20 meters away. Yep, the blade's fine.
Oh my god.
It just sort of like ejected itself or something.
Are there any little... It's fine! How did that happen?